Alright, let's see what we got in this box here. It's another box I opened up a while ago, but I don't remember what's in it. Something valuable, probably. Semi-heavy, but not real heavy. Doesn't really bounce very good. Bunch of loose parts, probably. Let's see what we got in here. Oh yeah. Some miscellaneous stuff. Looks like a carbonator. It's like a Sportster motor. Yep. Looks like a Sportster. And it looks like the pistons out of that crank I just did. Alright. So, worn funny. Bent crank. See, you got lines like going sideways like that. That means the crank is bent. And we know that crank was bent, so we just got done shrilling. You look for some damage on the skirts, how much crap's been there. See, a little bit of metal has been in there, but not super bad. See, it's a 900cc motor, not 1000. So these are using the pistons out of that motor. Let's see a size on them. There we go. 20. Let's see the number on this one. Oh, there's something right there. Yeah, that's a 20 also. 20 over 900. So those are the ones that come with that crank. So there you go. So means a 20 over 900 crank and pistons. We got it. All right. Well, there you go. That's what that was all out of. The crank's all packed up, ready to sell if somebody wants it. There it is. Pass it right back. Alright, there you go. That's how you tell the condition of your crank when you pull your pistons off. When you see them worn at an angle like that, that's not good. That means the piston, instead of going up and down straight, was going up and down like this. See, when it goes up and down like that, that's not a good sign. That means that crank has definitely got a big tweak in it, and it definitely did have one. Alright, there you go. One more way of telling you got a bad crank.